Hello guys, upan ko sa Winrich Hotel diri sa Agos, Lapu-Lapu City. So muna ang Winrich Hotel guys, nut kay ilang lobby na pud sila coffee factory nga outlet. So let's check out my room, room 201 sa second floor. So mo siya guys, nice kayo. Kompleto siya, a king sized bed. And then there's a view of the pool below, nindot kayo. So kompleto sa bathroom, na shower, na bidet, very important. Now let's surita sa ilahang pool area. Na po sila fish pond, na sila slides, na sila 3 pools na interconnected, and most especially na sila outdoor na jacuzzi, very nice. Ang ilang elevator is glass elevator, and then muni akong room guys. So chill lang while waiting for magabi na para maligo. So kaning ngit-ngit na, so it's time to enjoy the pool. So ako ra usa, so enjoy kayo. Now it's time to have dinner and then finally head to bed. Hagok na. So guys, muna ni pag the next day, so dito ko nag-breakfast silang restaurant. Lami kay lang breakfast buffet, na egg, na corned beef, na salad, na soup, na bread, na pay fruits, na pay mga kimchi, na mga juices. So sulit po siya guys. So muni nag-salad ko, and then nag-toast with butter, and then with mango jam, my favorite, super yummy. And then na po yung soup, yummy po kayo. And then of course ang breakfast and fruits. So daghang kapilian guys sa restaurants. Kung ganahan ka mong coffee lang sa ilang coffee restaurant dito sa gawa sa lobby, pwede po dito. So mo to guys, Winrich Hotel. If you want to book a stay here, contact lang ka sa ilang page and then use my code Leyland to get special treats. So magkita-kita ta sa Winrich Hotel.